Good evening, students. Good evening, guys. Able to hear me? Good evening, students. Guys, you able to hear me?
Good evening, sir.
Yeah.
Notebook. పెద్ద మ్యామ్
Sorry, students. Yeah, shall we start? Raghav, Shia. Call Sujit, madam. Call Sujit. Students, shall we start, Raghav?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I think I explained all the formulas, sin 2x and all, like we've gone through. Straight away we'll go for numericals instead of revising the formulas again and again. Is it okay? Shall I go through the numericals? Not regular numericals, some kind of different numericals which is not there in the textbook. On the mother numericals we can try. One numerical we will do with respect to quadrants, and it is a little easy. Hope you can able to see the screen. Try to solve this question. Prove that cos of pi plus x into cos of minus x divided by sin of pi minus x into cos of pi by 2 plus x is equal to cot square x. Hope you are clear what is the question. Am I right, students?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please try quickly. Where is he? Where is he?
He said 1 minute.
What is cos of pi plus x? How to solve the cos of pi plus x? Anyone can explain? It is in third quadrant and it is pi. So in third quadrant cos is negative. Pi plus x will give the same ratio. So the answer is minus cos x. Same as cos of minus x can be written as cos of 0 minus x, which is lying in fourth quadrant. And also 0 will give the same ratio. So the answer is cos x. Because fourth quadrant cos is positive. Sin of pi minus x, same as lies in second quadrant. Pi will give the same ratio, so plus sin x. Cos pi by 2 plus x. Cos pi by 2 plus x is second quadrant. Cos is negative. Pi by 2 will give the complementary, that is minus sin x. So if I am substituting all these values in the given expression in LHS, what I will get?
Now 1 second, stop since.
Cos x divided by sin x into minus sin x, which will give minus cos square x divided by minus sin square x, which will give a plus cot square x. Hope you are clear what I am done. If clear, we will move to the next question. Yes or no? Please, students, please respond. Guys, please.
1 minute, sir. The sine of minus x is equal to minus sin x.
Sorry, Raghav, you're asking something, please. Sorry, it's a call from school. I can't avoid. Yeah, please.
Sir,
Raghav, you're
if,
asking.
yes, sir, yes, sir. If it's given sine of minus x, is it equal to minus sine x?
Yeah, sine of minus x will be equal to minus sine x because sine of minus x can be written as 0 minus x, which will show the fourth quadrant, correct? In fourth quadrant, sine is negative. 0 will use the supplementary angle. That means same angle, same ratio will come because of 0. So minus sine x is the answer for this. So we are not violating the rules for any ratio, for any quadrant. Just we are following the same thing. Identifying the quadrant will decide the sign. And whether it is 0 or whether it is pi or whether it is 2 pi, that will decide same ratio or its complementary. Pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, complementary will come. Got it what I'm saying?
Yes, sir. Sir, one more doubt, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, how did they decide that cos and secant are going to be odd functions?
What is the definition of the odd function?
F of minus x is going to be equal to,
F of x will be equal to some function. Suppose y is equal to f of x. Suppose if x is equal, I'm replacing the x with minus x and f of minus x, and I'm getting the solution is also f of x. Then it is called even function. Correct? Got it? What I'm saying?
isn't it odd function?
F of x is equal to x square. If I'm substituting x is equal to x, f of x is equal to x square. If I'm substituting x is equal to minus x also, that is f of minus x is equal to x square only, which can be written as f of x is equal to f of minus x. So even function. This is a discussion over the even function. I will come to trigonometric ratios. Till 10th, till basics of the, for first quadrant, we can decide, but when it comes to changing the quadrants, it is different again. Got it?
Okay, sir.
But here, when I'm talking about minus x or plus x, it is always either first quadrant or fourth quadrant. That's the reason I will come back to us after explaining the even and odd function. When it comes to odd function, my y is equal to f of x. If I'm substituting x is equal to x, y is equal to f of x. If I'm substituting x is equal to minus x, in case if you are getting minus of f of x, then it is called odd function. The best example of the odd function is all cubic and exponent powers. Y is equal to x power n, where n is odd. I'm taking y is equal to x cube. X is equal to x, I will get y is equal to x cube. If I'm substituting x is equal to minus x, y is equal to minus x whole cube. That is minus x cube, can be written as minus f of x. In this case, my f of minus x will be equal to minus of f of x. That's the reason it is called odd functions. If you are unable to calculate as minus f of x, whether you are unable to prove it is f of x or minus f of x, then it is neither even nor odd. There are some situations will come like this. Generally, polynomial functions will come sometimes. Either you can't written as f of x or either you can't written as minus f of x after substituting minus x. Those functions are called different. It won't comes under either even or odd functions. Now come to the trigonometric ratios. I'm taking all the trigonometric ratios. Y is equal to sin x, cos x, tan x, cot x, secant x, cosecant x. Sin of minus x will be equal to minus sin x. So that is equal to f of x minus x will be equal to minus f of x, which is called odd functions. Correct? Because minus x will decide always in fourth quadrant. So when I'm defining the odd functions, the minus x says it is always in fourth quadrant. But when it is combination of some angles, then we can't say it is odd function at that moment. It is depends upon the amplitude. That means whatever the angle it is mentioned, if it is pure form of x, then only I can say whether it is even or odd by seeing the function. Suppose if the function is like this, pi by 2 minus x, If I am replacing minus x with plus x, I can't say whether we will get the minus of sine pi by 2x, or it should come like minus of sine pi by 2 minus x or plus sine pi by 2 minus x. Here we can't argue even function or odd function easily. So, sorry, we can argue, but we won't face that situation. In fourth quadrant and first quadrant, it is pure form of x. That's the reason it will be easy to discuss even or odd of the trigonometric ratios. Is it clear what I'm trying to say, students? Anyone having any discussion?
Minus x resides in the fourth quadrant only if the angle is lesser than 90 degrees, right? For example, if it is
No, it's not
sine,
lesser than 90 degrees. It is 360 minus x also will comes under fourth quadrant now.
how sir?
Yeah, see here, minus 30 degrees, 330 degrees, both will represent the same position. This is 330 degrees and this is minus 30 degrees. Check. Cos of minus 30 you take, cos 330 you take, you will get the same answer.
Sir, I'm asking if it is sine minus 120. That won't
Sine
line.
minus 120. Sine minus 120 means what? Sine minus 120 means it is like this. That is, sine minus 120 will be equal to sine of 270 minus 30, which will give sine 240. Both will be same. Check. If you are taking the negative direction, the same position will get in positive direction also in some place. You calculate the sine minus 120 and sine 240, you will get the same answer. I will show you. See here. What is the sine of minus 120 value? From sine of minus theta, we know it is sine theta. So this can be written as first minus sine 120, which is equal to minus sine 180 minus 60, which is equal to minus sine of 180 will give same ratio. Second quadrant will give the positive sign, so sine 60. The answer is minus root 3 by 2. If I am taking sine 240, it will be sine of 180 plus 60. 180 will give the same ratio. It is in third quadrant, which will give the sign, negative sign, because sign is negative in third quadrant, sine 60. So minus root 3 by 2. Is it clear what I'm saying, Raghav?
Yes, sir.
Going back to the even functions and odd functions, you will get cos of minus x is equal to minus plus cos x, which will give f of minus x is equal to f of x. That's the reason cos and secant only even functions in general. Rest of all are odd functions. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Shall I go to the next question?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, can
will
we
see.
say that
Yes, please continue your question.
sir, can we say that sine of minus x equals sine of y such that x plus y
Sine
equals
of
360?
minus x is equal to sine of y. Okay, next.
Yeah, such that x plus y equals 360 degree.
Such that x plus y is equal to
360 degree.
360 degrees. Correct. Agree. Sine of minus y, that is minus x is equal to y. X plus y is equal to 0. That is equal to 360 degrees or 720 degrees, or this is cyclic functions.
Okay, sir.
Correct. You can take it as a shortcut. Shall I go for the next question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Try this question by your own. I will give some time. If tan 35 is equal to A, prove that tan 145 minus tan 125 divided by 1 plus tan 145 into tan 125 is equal to 1 minus a square by 2a. Please try to solve this question. Is it possible I can apply tan of a minus b formula here, students? It will work here.
No, sir.
Yeah, please. Then how we will do? Is it
Sir, it
possible
will
I can
work,
find out
but-
tan 145 separately, tan 125 separately?
No, sir, we can use that, but we will get tan 265 degrees.
Yeah. So how we will deal with the tan 265 degrees?
Sorry, sir, we'll get tan 20 degree, I think.
And
20.
20. So how we will
Yes, sir,
deal the tan
20.
20? How to calculate tan 20 with the help of given data? See, you have to
So tan 35 minus 15.
tan 35 minus 15. Again, it is a deal for tan 15 now.
So that's root 3 plus 1 divided
We
by
are
root
unable
3.
to remember. Will you agree each and everyone can remember easily tan 15 value?
Sir, we can again calculate tan 15.
We can do like this. Instead of that, we can go straight away tan 45, tan 125.
So 45 or 145.
Tan 145 can be written as tan of 90 plus 35. Correct? Which is equal to how much? Minus cot 35.
Sir, tan 125, right?
No, tan 145 I'm taking first.
Sir, how is 145 90 plus 35?
It
So
should be 120.
180 minus 35. Sorry. Sorry guys. 180 minus 35. Tan of 180 minus 35. Now tell me.
Yes, sir.
So this can be written as tan 35 minus tan 35 because it is in second quadrant. 180 will give the same ratio. Second quadrant tan is negative. Same as tan of 125 degrees. I am writing as tan of 90 plus 35, which will give minus cot 35. Hope you understand this two step. This two step is the key for this question. This will give minus a, this will give minus 1 by a. Are you clear with these two steps? Anyone having any doubts, students, please let me know before proceeding to the next one. Students,
No,
is
sir.
it clear? Yeah. So take LHS and substitute the values. Minus a minus 1 by a divided by 1 plus minus a into minus 1 by a. So a cancel. This will give minus a plus 1 by a divided by 2. So minus a square plus 1 by 2a. The final answer is 1 minus a square by 2a, which is your RHS. Which is your RHS. Which is your RHS. If you are clear, I will move to the next question, students. Please.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What is meant by cyclic quadrilateral? What is meant by cyclic quadrilateral?
Sum of opposite angles should be 180.
Yeah. So everyone keep it in mind what he said. What he said is right. If ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral, then show that cos A plus cos B plus cos C plus cos D is equal to 0. They may give for the MCQ also, find the value of cos A plus cos B plus cos D plus cos D, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 0, 1, minus 1, undefined or not, none of the above like that. Please solve this question.
Sir, can I
Done,
tell?
sir.
Done? Easy. So what is the strategy you have to use here? So from the
Sir, A
definition,
plus C is 180, so A equals 180 minus C.
key is here. If you don't know about the cyclic quadrilateral, you can't solve this question. Will you agree? Angle A is equal to angle C. Sorry. Angle A plus angle C is equal to pi radians. Angle B plus angle D is equal to pi radians. So from here, I'm taking LHS cos A plus cos B plus cos C plus cos D is equal to, you pick anything, either C or D can eliminate, or either A or B can eliminate. I'm trying to eliminate C and D. Cos A plus cos B plus cos C can be written as pi minus A. D can be written as pi minus B. So this will be equal to cos A plus cos B minus cos A minus cos B, RHS. Hope you understand what I wrote here. Shall I go to the next question, students? Students, please let me know if you
Yes,
are
sir.
clear. I will go to this one. Everyone? Yeah. The next one. Yeah. If A, B, C are the, or you can write if A plus B plus C is equal to pi radians, then prove that. First one, simple only. Without expanding, you have to prove. Cos of A plus B is equal to minus cos C. Second question, tan A by 2 is equal to cot B plus C by 2. Please try, students. Before going to some other questions, please try this question.
The first one, we can write like cos A plus B is equal to cos pi minus C.
Correct. Straight away, single answer. Like in single step, you will get answer. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Cos of pi minus C, second quadrant cos is negative, pi will give the same ratio. So LHS, I got RHS. Same here also, same thing. A plus B plus C is equal to 0. A is equal to pi minus of B plus C. Divide with 2 on both sides. So a by 2 is equal to pi by 2 minus of b plus c. Take tan on both sides. So tan a by 2 is equal to minus, sorry, tan of pi by 2 minus of b plus c. Where you are going, man? No, we have checked it.
Yes, that's it. Yes.
Sir, it
Tan
should
of-
be pi by 2 minus b plus c by 2, right?
Yeah, sorry, my mistake. So minus cot of b plus c by 2. So you proved the statement straight away by taking the given data instead of taking LHS and RHS. Or you can take LHS, substitute a is equal to b plus c minus pi, like that also you can, sorry, pi minus b plus c, and you can do like that also. That's your wish, how we are proceeding. If you all are okay, I will go to the next question. Students, please respond.
Sir, what will be positive, right, sir?
Sorry,
What will be positive, right?
how? Yeah, sorry. First quadrant. This is first quadrant, so it is positive. So first quadrant. Sorry, guys. For okay, I will go to the next question.
Sir, how are you saying it is in the first quadrant?
Pi by 2 minus theta. Some angle, pi by 2 minus theta, that's it.
Okay.
That b plus c values will decide again cot value if I am giving some b plus c value. As of now, b plus c by 2, we don't know. That might be less than 90, greater than 90, or even, that's it. Less than 90, greater than 90. But it's almost up to 90 only. It's not even greater than 90 because of by 2. Maximum value for cot b plus c by 2 is 90 only.
Sir, but in the question it's given pi power c. What does that mean?
Question is giving
Pi power c.
pi radians, man. It's not pi power c.
Okay, sir.
It's a symbol for radians, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Shall I go for the next question? Students, you can go to the next question.
Sir.
Prove that tan 50 is equal to tan 40 degrees plus 2 times tan 10. Try this question. Wait, what happened? What is this? Anyone got the answer? Students, please. Any idea?
Sir, can I try?
Yeah, please. The clue is make 50 as 40 plus 10 and expand. Make 50 as 40 plus 10 and expand.
Yes, sir.
அற்று நேரம் உறங்கி மகிழ முடியாமல் போனதே ஒரு முயற்சி செய்து பார்ப்போம். அதன்
Looking here.
தோற்றால்
Tan
வீரமரண
50 can be written as tan of
காணானெல்லாம்
40 plus 10, which will be equal to
அந்த புலிக்கு
tan 50
பயந்து கொண்டு
will be equal to tan of tan 40 plus tan 10 divided by 1 minus tan 40 tan 10. If I am cross multiplying, I will get tan 50 minus tan 50 into tan 40 into tan 10, which will be equal to tan 40 plus tan 10. We know tan 50 can be written as tan of 90 minus 50, 90 minus 40, which is equal to how much? How much? Cot 40. So tan 50 is equal to cot 40. Can be written as 1 by tan 40. So the product of tan 50 into tan 40 is 1 from here. So we can write as tan 50 minus 1 into tan 10 will be equal to tan 40 plus tan 10. So which will be equal to tan 50 is equal to tan 40 plus tan 10 plus tan 10, 2 tan 10. This is how I solve this question. Please look into this. Try to understand the strategy. Don't look into numbers here. What is a given situation? Some angle was there. The right side, there are two different angles. The connection is sum of the two angles is given left side angle. So 40 plus 10. So how we can bring it to 40s and 10s? That's the important scenario here. And there is another connection. 50 plus 40 is complementary angle. So there is a relation between tan 50 and tan 40 also. It's clear, students? If you are okay, I will move to the next question.
Yes, sir.
Students, you done? Okay. One. If tan alpha is equal to m by m plus 1 and tan beta is equal to 1 by 2m plus 1. Show that
Yes, sir.
alpha plus beta is equal to pi by 4. Simple. Take tan of alpha plus beta, expand and substitute the values. Check what you are getting. Expand and substitute the values. Check what you are getting. Automatically it leads to answer.
One second.
Anyone got?
Sir, can I tell?
Yeah, please.
Sir, tan alpha plus beta is m upon n plus 1 plus 1 upon 2n plus 1. That is tan alpha plus tan beta upon 1 minus tan alpha multiplied by tan
Correct.
beta.
So direct substitution, correct?
Yes, sir. After solving, we'll get answer as 1. So that is equals to tan pi by 4.
After solving, you are getting the answer is 1.
Sir.
So after general algebraic calculation, you will get 1. So it is possible alpha plus beta is equal to pi by 4. One of the solution. It is one of the solution. Sometimes they may ask as n pi by 4, something like that. Keep it in mind. If it is MCQs, it may ask differently also. Will I move to one more question, students?
Yes, sir.
I think all are clear with sin of a plus b, cos of a plus b, tan of a plus b, cot of a plus b, all those formulas. Let's see. Yes. If x minus y is equal to pi by 4, prove that 1 plus tan x into 1 plus tan y is equal to 2 tan x. Solve this one. The clue is take the given data, apply tan on both sides and expand. Take the given data, apply tan on both sides and expand. That's a clue. Good boy, bad boy.
Good boy. Good boy.
Good boy.
Good.
You?
Good boy.
Very good boy or good boy?
Very good boy.
Very good boy. Sushmita?
Very good boy.
Naveen?
Very good boy.
Balanku? Balanku?
Very good boy.
6. Anyone got the answer? Students, anyone got the answer? Say some answer. Say.
1 minute, sir.
Yeah, please.
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Yeah. Anyone? Shall I go
Yes,
for
sir.
next question? Anyone? Any need explanation of this question? How to do? Guys, please respond. We can cover a little bit more questions if everyone got the solution. Clarity, please.
Okay.
Students, please respond. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. The next question is if sin x into sin y minus cos x into cos y plus 1 is equal to 0, then prove that 1 plus cot x into cot y, 1 plus cot x into tan y is equal to 0. Please try this question. Correct? See?
Sir,
Yes, please.
no, sir, nothing, sir.
See, take LHS, convert everything into sin and cos. See, this whole thing can be, how we can write this whole thing?
So we can multiply -1 and then write it as cos x plus y.
Take this whole expression this side, you will get cos x cos y minus sin x sin y is equal to 1. This will be cos of x minus y is equal to 1, which is nothing but, sorry, x plus y is equal to 1. You can keep like this. Cos of x plus y is equal to 1. He's asking 1 plus tan x into, sorry, 1 plus cot x into cot y. I am taking LHS here. After converting into sin and cos, I will get, how I will get, cot x can be written as cos x by sin x into tan y can be written as sin y by cos y. If I am taking LCM, what I will get, sin x into cos y, this will be sin x cos y plus cos x sin y, which is equal to sin of x plus y divided by sin x sin y, sin x cos y. See, cos of x plus y is equal to 1. Then what is the sin of x plus y? From here, if I am taking square on both sides, this will be cos square of x plus y is equal to 1. 1 minus sin square x plus y is equal to 1. 1 cancel. This will be 0. So 0 by sin x sin y is equal to 0. Or here you can able to say as x plus y is equal to
180.
180. Yeah, 0, 180. I can say it is n pi. Substitute this value. Maybe 0 also, no? Because 0 is 1 only. Agreed? Move to the next one.
Yes, sir.
Sir, cot of minus y is equal to minus cot y, right?
Cot of minus y is equal to minus cot y. Correct.
Sir, actually, we need not convert anything into sine and cos, sir, because here it's given x plus y is equal to 0. So if you assume x
That
is
we
equal
have to solve now. X plus y is equal to 0. We have to do it. After that, that's also fine. Yes. Using complementary angles also you have to do. But this calculation is mandatory. This is mandatory. Correct?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
After that only you can do in different methods.
Yes, sir.
இந்த ஒரு பக்கம் ஃபுல்லாவா மேம்? ஓகே.
Next one.
மேம் இது ஃபுல்லாவே மேம்.
If tan x is equal to
ஓகேவா?
p plus 1 and tan y is equal to p minus 1, then show that 2 times cot of x minus y is equal to p square. Please.
அதுக்கு இன்னும் கிளாஸ் முடிஞ்சிருக்காங்க. மேத்ஸ் கிளாஸ். அதே பார்த்துங்களா? சின்ன கிளாஸ் முடிச்சாங்க. நான் கேக்குறேன். மேத்ஸ் கிளாஸ்
Here also same way, if you are unable to getting an idea, one option is convert into tan and do it. This will be 2 by tan of x minus y, expand it. This will be 2 into 1 plus tan x tan y divided by tan x minus tan y. And substitute tan values here. 2 of tan x is p 1 plus of p plus 1 into p minus 1 divided by p plus 1 minus p plus 1. So p cancel. So 1 plus 1 is 2, that is also cancelled. So this will be 1 plus p square minus 1 square. So the answer is p square. So I am taking LHS here. I proved as a RHS. Will you agree? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
If you are able to remember cot of x minus y value straight away, you can apply also. That is also fine. Well and good.
Sir,
Yes.
so shall I say one method, but then I don't know how to proceed.
Please.
Sir, if we multiply tan x into tan y, we'll get p square minus 1 square.
Correct.
So
One
now
second.
if-
I will copy the question in next page. One second. Yeah. You are saying tan x into tan y will come as p square minus 1. Next.
Now tan x tan y minus plus 1 is equal to p square.
So 1 plus tan x tan y is equals p square. Correct?
Yes, sir. Now how to prove this as 2 cot x minus y?
2 cot of x minus y. Oh, you are asking how I can prove this one x. This expression is 2 cot of x minus y. Correct?
Yes, sir, because both have same RHS.
So we are proving 2 cot of x minus y also p square. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Simple. 1 plus tan x tan y divided with p square, sorry, p plus 1 minus p minus 1 into 2 will be equal to this side p square by how much? No, that's it. Understood what I done? Understood what I done, Raghav?
1 minute, sir.
If I am solving the denominator, 2 will cancel, so you are not changing the expression of the given, but square expression.
Sir, but then here you solve this from 2 cot x minus y, right?
No, I am solving. See, you are saying if this is given,
Yes, sir.
how to prove with this data? Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So what I am doing is I am taking LHS. What is LHS? Tell me. 1 plus
Tan x tan y.
tan x tan y. I am multiplying with 2 and dividing with 2. Are you clear what I am saying?
Yes, sir. Sir, got it, sir.
So we
Yes,
know p plus 1, p minus 1 is 2 only now.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Subtraction. So 2 can be written as p plus 1 minus p minus 1. So this will use tan x minus tan y, which is nothing but 1 by tan of x minus y. Got it?
Yes, sir.
One more question. Looks simple, but little strategy is required for this question. If tan x will be equal to sin alpha minus cos alpha divided by sin alpha plus cos alpha, then show that cos alpha is equal to root 2 cos alpha. Sorry, root 2 cos x. Please.
இரண்டாம் பகுதியில் அண்ணன் என்னும் பெயர் சொல் அண்ணனை அண்ணாம் அண்ணனால் அண்ணனுக்கு என்றெல்லாம் மாறுபட்டிருப்பதால் பொருள் தெளிவாக விளங்குகிறது. அண்ணன் என்னும் பெயர் சொல்லுடன் ஐ ஆல் கு இன் அது போன்ற ஆசைகள் இணைந்து அச்சொல்லின் பொருளை பல்வேறு வகையாக வேறுபடுத்துகின்றன. இவ்வாறு பெயர் சொல்லின் பொருளை வேறுபடுத்தும் முறையை வேற்றுமை என்பர். இதற்காக பெயர்ச்சொல்லுடன் இணைக்கப்பட்டுள்ள அசைகளை வேற்றுமை உருவுகள் என்று கூறுவர். வேற்றுமையின் வகைகள். வேற்றுமை 8 வகைகள். அவை முதல் வேற்றுமை, இரண்டாம் வேற்றுமை, இரண்டாம் வேற்றுமை, மூன்றாம் வேற்றுமை, நான்காம் வேற்றுமை, ஐந்தாம் வேற்றுமை, ஆறாம் வேற்றுமை, ஏழாம் வேற்றுமை, எட்டாம் வேற்றுமை, 8 வகைப்படும். முதல் வேற்றுமைக்கு எட்டாம் வேற்றுமை இல்லை. இரண்டாம் வேற்றுமை முதல் ஏழாம் வேற்றுமை முடிய அல்ல 6 வேற்றுமைக்கும் பொருந்துதல்.
Will explain. Taking LHS. Not LHS, give an expression. This whole expression I am carrying here. Tan x is equal to sin alpha minus cos alpha divided by sin alpha plus cos alpha. Sin alpha, sorry. Cos alpha I am taking the common in the denominator and numerator. Tan alpha minus 1 divided by, this is tan alpha plus 1. So I am getting tan alpha minus 1 by tan alpha plus 1, which is giving tan alpha minus tan pi by 4 divided by, this can be written as 1 plus tan alpha into tan pi by 4, because tan pi by 4 is 1. Without changing the expression, I will get this will be tan of alpha minus pi by 4.
I என்பதாகும். கபிலன் பரணரை புகழ்ந்தார்.
So
கபிலரை
tan x is equal to
புகழ்ந்தார்.
tan of alpha minus pi by 4, which can be written as x is equal to alpha minus pi by 4. Apply cos on both sides. If I am applying cos on both sides, I will get cos x is equal to cos of alpha minus pi by 4, which will be cos alpha cos pi by 4 plus sin alpha sin pi by 4, which will be equal to cos x will be equal to cos alpha by root 2 plus sin alpha by root 2. From here, sin alpha plus cos alpha is root 2 cos x. The required expression. Required. Hope you are clear what I done. Students, please. Anyone having any doubt in this question? What is the strategy applied here? Please. Question and he throw it on me, and he will be like that sometimes. Sometimes. Students, I can go to the next question. Please respond. One more last question, please. Yes or no? Guys?
1 minute, sir.
Yeah, please.
Okay, sir.
கரிகாலனால் கல்லணை கட்டப்பட்டது. நானே செய்வது எங்கள் கருத்தால் சேர்க்கிறாரால் பெரிய புராணம் இயற்றப்பட்டது. ஆண் என்பது பெரும்பாலும் செயல்படுத்தும் இடம்பெறும் எடுத்துக்காட்டு உரிமை நீராக அமையும். ஓடு ஓடு
If x plus y is equal to z and tan x is equal to k, then prove that sin z is equal to k plus 1 by k minus 1 into sin of x minus y. Try to solve this question. Use this formula. Convert sin and cos and try. Sorry guys. Tan x is equal to k tan y. Now proceed.
பாடுவதில் வல்லவர் சாலமேகம் நீங்கள் தலையில் இழிந்த மகிழ் ஆறாம் வேற்றுமை அது ஆகுவே ஆறாம் வேற்றுமை உருவலாகும் இவ்வேற்றுமை உண்மை பொருளில் வரும் உரிமை பொருளை திறமை பொருள் என்றும் சொல்வர் எடுத்துக்காட்டு இராமனது வில் நண்பனது கை அது ஆகிய உருவுகளை இக்காலத்தில் பயன்படுத்துவது இல்லை ஏழாம் வேற்றுமைக்கு புதிய விருது மேல் கீழ் கால் இடம் போன்ற உருவுகளில் உண்டு.
Guys, anyone want the answer? It's also very simple. This is the key information here. Tan x is equal to k tan y. From here I can write sin x by cos x is equal to k sin y by cos y. When cross multiplying, I will get sin x cos y divided by cos x sin y is equal to k. Applying componendo and dividendo. Then we get
Sir,
sin x. Sorry, please.
sir, actually, we don't need. Yes, sir, we can directly do it, right, sir?
If you want without also you can try, but this is a little easier method, I felt. Sin
Sir, we
x
can
cos y.
substitute the value of x, sir, k, sir, and then directly do it, right?
Yeah, try that also. K plus 1 by k minus 1, which will give the left side will be equal to how much? Sin
Sin
of
x plus y
plus
upon
y.
sin x minus y.
Sin x minus y will be equal to k plus 1 by k minus 1. After cross multiplication, x plus y can be written as z. So sin z will be equal to k plus 1 by k minus y, k minus 1 of sin of x minus y. Hope we are clear what I done here.
Yes, sir.
Without much complicated calculation, simply with the help of ratios and proportions concept, I explained this one. Hope you are clear. So we'll meet in the next class with some more numericals and we'll try to wind up the trigonometry next class. We'll move to the new chapter. Please explore 3 days time you are having to practice, not 3 days, 5 after Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and after 4 days we will meet again. So you explore some more numericals and practice. Come with the doubts. We'll start after one more class, we will start the new topic. Yeah, anyone having any doubts, please? Otherwise, I will close the session.
No doubt, sir.
Yeah. Bye, everyone. We'll meet in next class.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.